And here's our last example, a little bit like the previous example, that it has a radius in it, and you can see that the radius is 8. So if the radius is 8, this whole segment from here to here will be x plus 8. We don't have an expression for this little part of the radius, but if I know from here out is 8, and I don't want this x part, this little segment will be 8 minus x. Okay? And this, by the way, is the same thing as 8 plus x, and just having them in the same order might be the way to go. So when I do my part times part, 9 times 4 is equal to 8 minus x times 8 plus x. And again, it doesn't matter if you had x plus 8. When you double distribute, you get the same thing. Hopefully you notice when you double distribute, you get 64 plus 8x minus 8x minus x squared. And then the 8x and minus 8x would drop out. Okay, and then you're going to subtract 64 from both sides. And when I do that, I get negative 28. Divide both sides by negative 1. Again, I'm going to take the square root, and you do normally have a plus or minus, but because we're dealing with the length, we're only going to have the plus. So we get the square root of 28, which we know is 2 root 7. Okay, so our answer is 2 root 7. That's it. Hope you guys found an easy time of these problems.